I'm still impressed with what I see, but this Mavs team they're making a lot of noise. They're really making a lot of noise over the past few days. Um, like I said, Anthony Davis 15 and 14, but getting contributions across the board from everybody. Um, I'm really impressed with what Jason Kidd has been able to do with this Mavs team when some of the pieces are healthy. And Cooper Flagg is just really cementing his Rookie of the Year candidacy. Obviously, Con Knipple is, fighting that some, but I'm very, very impressed with what I'm seeing from Cooper Flagg, as I think everybody is and everybody knew to be from before. Some awesome moments in this game include Devin Booker going against Steph Curry, with Steph Curry wearing two different Devin Booker shoes, D-Book ones. He wore a Chevy collab with Nike that was like a Warriors colorway, but with the Chevy branding, obviously. And he then wore the What the Book ones, which were like, it's just so surreal to see Steph Curry playing against Devin Booker in Devin Booker's shoe. You know what I'm saying? It's totally crazy.